Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Today's unveiling of the Acura MDX prototype previews the fourth generation of the class-defining Acura MDX, America's all-time best-selling three-row luxury SUV. On sale early next year, the new MDX will assume the flagship role in the Acura lineup as the most premium, performance-focused and technologically sophisticated SUV in Acura history. 20 years after the launch of the first-generation model, the bold new design and sumptuously appointed interior of the new MDX will be bolstered by an arsenal of new Acura technologies, an all-new performance-focused platform with MDX's first-ever double wishbone front suspension, and the first application of the Type S high-performance moniker to an Acura SUV. Enveloped in striking matte finish, the MDX prototype, shown in both liquid carbon and performance red, makes a bold statement with its more dynamic and muscular design. The upright grille and long, sculpted hood convey power and presence and are anchored to an even lower and wider body with bulging shoulders and a greenhouse set further back, enabling a 6-inch increase in dash-to-axle dimension. Signature elements of Acura's next-generation design language are elegantly integrated with the new more premium and athletic form of MDX, including a 3-dimensional diamond pentagon grille flanked by 4-element dual-eye LED headlights, underscored by chicane LED daytime running lights, inspired by the Acura ARX-05 race car. The front fascia has been sculpted to highlight the wide grille, integrating fog light housings under side vents that further emphasize the new MDX's wider track. In profile view, the 21-inch wheels have been pushed to the corners, giving the MDX prototype a nearly 3-inch longer wheelbase, aiding both ride quality and more spacious seating in all 3 rows, as well as a larger and more versatile cargo hold. A sharply sculpted beltline connects the front and rear, where the wide-set chicane LED taillights echo the headlight treatment in front. The 4th-generation MDX debuts an all-new light truck platform built for athletic handling, refined ride comfort and exceptional cabin quietness. The most rigid Acura SUV body to date, the new MDX is engineered to support Type S levels of performance as well as advanced collision and pedestrian safety. Anchored to the ultra-rigid new body is a new performance-focused chassis featuring MDX's first-ever double wishbone front suspension, delivering sharp and sporty handling with improved road holding and ride comfort. Further aiding handling and all-weather performance is Acura's available 4th-generation Super handling all-wheel drive, the only dynamic torque vectoring technology in MDX's competitive class, extracting maximum grip and cornering precision from the all-new chassis. Superior stopping performance is enabled with Brembo 4-piston brake calipers, finished in a striking ivory paint, at all 4 corners. Drivers can customize the ride, handling, steering, suspension and powertrain performance characteristics using the MDX's intelligent dynamics system. The IDS unlocks a wider range of personalized driving experiences through preset modes as well as giving drivers the ability to customize an individual dynamic driving mode via the NSX-inspired drive mode dial, positioned prominently on the center console. Powering the 4th-generation MDX will be one of 2 new powertrains. Standard power will come from Acura's 3.5-liter V6, connected to an incredibly responsive and refined 10-speed automatic transmission. The upcoming MDX Type S will feature a Type S exclusive 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 producing an estimated 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, the most powerful engine ever offered in an Acura SUV. All MDX Type S models will put power to the ground through Acura's 4th-generation all-wheel drive system.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.